Financial Mappers is one giant dynamic cloud-based calculator connecting all financial information and cash flows. The first step in creating a plan is to import data from any platform by clicking the Import button. From this data, plans from 5 to 50 years can be created. Financial Mappers incorporates Social Security, personal debts, insurance, lifestyle goals such as a car or holiday, home and investment loans including refinancing, cash and fixed interest securities, equities and managed funds, superannuation, investment properties, family home, together with drawdown in retirement. When any parameter is altered, the entire plan and reports are recalculated with a single click. The advisor can quickly develop a plan fitting the client's risks profile by changing the asset allocation in various time periods. The graph showing the percentage of growth assets can be used to fine-tune the portfolio. The savings from salary after loan expenses are automatically allocated by percentage to superannuation and investments. Set financial targets and compare the results as part of your gap analysis. Extensive modelling tools allow immediate demonstration of any what-if scenarios. You can backtest results against historical data and economic cycles. There are many short targeted reports, such as an insurance needs evaluation or plan summary the first 5 years, giving both the client and advisor an immediate overall picture. Advisors can also create their own reports, including an SOA using the Report Builder. An exciting ProConnect feature is the optional sharing of the software with a tech-savvy client who now wants to be part of the planning process. The client can create plans and share with the advisor, or play around with a copy of the advisor's plan and examine modifications. Clients of all age groups want digital tools to give better understanding and control. However, they also see great value in being supported by the expertise of an advisor to help with the decision-making. Financial Mappers simplifies the complexity of financial planning for advisor and client. An SOA or shorter review report can be swiftly generated with or without a paraplanner, as everything is at your fingertips. An advisor can select, create and customize report templates found in our Report Builder. He can then write text specific to each client. The detail or complexity of each report can be appropriate to the client's level of understanding. To further increase client understanding and engagement, your SOA can be delivered in a digital, multimedia format and accessed through the Client Review app. Your SOA becomes a useful informational and educational entity, rather than just being long-winded compliance. The text portion is presented on the left, with images, graphs and tables on the right-hand side. Note how the client can scroll over the graph for more detail. Using the text-to-speech option, your SOA is presented like a video with interactive information.
In the Client Review app, you can move the slider to any year to check the progress and click on the information icons to view the graph for each dial.
The PDF version is still available together with added reports. Financial targets, lifestyle goals and the client's milestones are all part of the process. Deeper information and educational content for a client who wishes to understand more is readily added. Here are Money Smart articles and Money Smart videos already uploaded for optional use. The advisor can upload their own content, such as these good financial reads and financial literacy videos. In addition to statements of advice, the advisor can upload review-type reports. Here, no advice if given using the SOA editor panels. The report will demonstrate estimated outcomes of your recommended plan. Once the client agrees to the plan, you can then start to write your statement of advice. For all reports uploaded, the advisor can increase compliance. The feature Q&A allows the advisor to send a link of the report to the client. As the client reviews the report, the client can ask questions which are emailed to the advisor. The question is placed on the left-hand side and the advisor's answer on the right. Communication between the two parties can continue until the question has been resolved, at which time the client can mark the question as resolved. Once resolved, the client will need to open a new question if they have other questions to be answered. The advisor can continue to add comments, but should only do so to consolidate information already included in the discussion. This log remains part of your report. The feature which allows the software to log the time spent reviewing the report is another important part of compliance. The timing will show how much time the advisor and client spent reviewing the document in the client review. After the link is sent to the client, additional time spent by the client when reviewing the report will be added. This allows the advisor to demonstrate how much time was spent in reviewing the report. Coupled with the Q&A section, the advisor can demonstrate that the report was fully examined by the client. The FPA wants the industry to migrate to a shorter SOA, which is easy to understand, improves financial literacy, and reduces costs to the advisor. The FPA has requested we present a digital SOA for scaled advice using RG90 as a template. On our website, you can access versions for either full service or scaled service. Financial advice should be affordable and accessible to all. Experience our interactive client review app on the Financial Mappers website.